Hi, myself Durga Prasad from VVIT University. Now I am talking about the Zener diode from electronic devices and circuits. And my register number is 25BQ580409. Second year ECE B section. Introduction. What is Zener diode? Zener diode is a special type of diode that allows current in forward and reverse bias. In normal PN junction diode that allows only in forward bias only. In PN junction, it allows current in forward bias, but in Zener diode, it allows forward bias and reverse bias also. In reverse bias, it conducts when reverse voltage reaches the Zener voltage, and it's mainly used for voltage regulation. What is means of voltage regulation? If any input is given, the output it gives same output. That means constant output. If increase in any current, it gives constant output. Symbol. This is the symbol of Zener diode. This one is cathode and this one is anode. It is an P-type material and it is an N-type material. Construction of a Zener diode. It mainly heavily doped PN junction. PN junction. They have a heavily doped P-type and N-type material. That's why it allows current in. It allows the current in reverse bias also. It have a thin depletion region. See, it have a thin depletion region. Small depletion region, and the breakdown voltage can be designed in 2 volts to 200 volts. That means it breakdowns from 2 volts to 200 volts as per your need. Working principle. It is conducted in forward bias and reverse bias. In forward bias, this cathode is connected to the negative terminal, and this anode is connected to the positive terminal in forward bias. But in reverse bias, you can erase it. In, in reverse bias, this cathode is connected to the anode, and this anode is connected to the cathode. It maintains nearly constant voltage across the diode in reverse bias and forward bias also. Types of breakdown voltages. There are two types, Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. When a Zener breakdown occurs at a low voltage, less than 5 volts, less than 5 volts, the Zener diode will be occurs. This is the Zener breakdown. That's less than 5 volts. Due to strong electric field, due to the depletion region, they have a strong electric field. That's why this Zener breakdown will be occurs. When is a avalanche breakdown will be occurs, they have a high voltage. That means greater than 5 volts. If the voltage is greater than 5 volts, the avalanche breakdown will be occurs. It is greater than 5 volts. And it due to impact of ionization. The ionization occurs in a depletion region. The Zener breakdown is less than 5 volts and avalanche breakdown will be occur greater than 5 volts. It is due to the strong electric field. It is due to the impact ionization. VA characteristics of Zener diode. In forward bias, similar normal diode. In forward bias, it has a similar normal PN junction diode. That means in forward bias, it has a normal PN junction diode like this. What the PN junction diode in reverse bias? Current is small leakage current and decreases rapidly. In normal PN junction diode. But in reverse bias, small current until VZ is reached. See, it has a small current until breakdown voltage. That means anything 2 volts to 200 volts. At the breakdown voltage, the current will be increasing and the voltage will be constant as this. See, same like this. current increases, the breakdown voltage it will be increases. And also here also the current is at the breakdown voltage the current increases rapidly. In forward bias and reverse bias it have the same operation. At VZ current increases rapidly while voltage remains constant. What is it? Voltage remains constant at the voltage VZ. That means 2 to 200 volts. As your requirement, we can any place. And the remains voltage will be remains constant. See, voltage increases or not increases. But the current will be increases at y axis. What is the main use of Zener diode? It can operate in reverse bias also. But PN junction you cannot operate in reverse bias. If breakdown voltage increases, the diode will heat and destroy the PN junction diode, but not in Zener diode. Voltage regulator. Well, we are discussing about voltage regulator. What is the means of voltage regulation? If, if any increasing current, input current, but output will be constant. Output voltage will be constant. See, Zener is as voltage regulator. It means constant output voltage despite input and load variations. That means, see, in the VN and 1K resistor placed in the cathode to anode. This is Zener diode D1 and it is output voltage V0. We can place resistor also, load resistor also, as your wish. If increase in voltage, current or voltage, it gives constant output. If it is 1.2 volt, 12 volts is breakdown voltage. The 12 volts is the breakdown voltage of the Zener diode. If you give 13 volts, but it gives 12 volts only. But gives 12 volts only. It gives 15 volts, gives 12 volts. It gives 60 volts, gives 12 volts. By using this voltage regulator, which is used to Atlanta, we use it to prevent the new object, sorry, to prevent the end circuit from the high voltage. Applications of Zener diode. It is used as voltage regulator. You can see the diagram and over voltage protection. Over voltage protection. If the voltage increases, but gives it constant voltage from the voltage regulator. How it protect? The one component is higher voltage is 20 volts. The 30 volts will be increases. The voltage that this component will be destroyed. This component will be destroyed. By using this voltage regulator, we give constant output 20 volts to the this component. If increase in voltage, input voltage to 50 volts, 30 volts, 80 volts, but it gives 20 volts. By this, we can protect the component from the over voltage. Waveform clipping and clamping. And it is also in a clippers. The Zener is also used in clippers and clampers also. And the reference voltage generator. It is also voltage generate our reference voltage by placing the breakdown voltage. Advantages of Zener diode. It provides stable and regulated voltage. Yes, it provides stable and regulated voltage by the voltage regulator. And the simple and cost effective. It is a very low cost and simple to design, reliable and easy to use. This is also current. These, these are all the advantages of Zener diode. But they will not use the PN junction as like this. It not gives voltage regulated voltage, and the PN junction is simple and cost effective, but it not used to reliable to use. It easy to burn. One final conclusion. The Zener diode is heavily doped diode designed towards the breakdown region. Why it have a heavily doped? Then the PN junction diode, and it works breakdown region. It works in breakdown region also. It maintains constant voltage across the terminals, and it widely used in power supplies and protection circuits. You can mostly use the Zener diode in power supplies and protection circuits. Why? It gives constant output across its terminals. That's why used in protection devices and power supplies also. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.